Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best massage roller balls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Solaceum Massage Roller Ball for sore muscles. This roller ball will be perfect for alleviating soreness on your upper back, the shoulders, legs and other parts of your body. For even better results, you can use it with massage lotions or oils. These balls will be ideal for light and deep tissue massages after a very busy day. It will, therefore, help to eliminate muscle fatigue and also relieve stress. You will have the option to choose between the two color options available. Massage basically is a great way to improve blood circulation. It also brings damaged parts to oxygen-rich blood for faster healing. Made with high-quality resin, you will appreciate that these balls last for a very long time. Another great aspect about these massage balls is that they are lightweight and therefore easy to carry. Cleaning these balls after use, on the other hand, will be very easy using water and soap. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vive Massage Roller Ball for athletes. The roller massage balls from this brand have been well sized to make sure that you have the best self-massage. The ergonomic design or instance will ensure that the ball fits in your hand comfortably. Since the balls are handheld, you will be able to control the pressure used on these balls. For this reason, therefore, you can easily vary from deep tissue and light massage. Another convenient feature about these massage balls is that they are conveniently portable, allowing you to have stress relief on the go. The balls also glide smoothly over bare skin or your clothing for effective massage therapy without causing friction. You will also appreciate that the balls are made in a durable and hypoallergenic design for your safety. At number 3, we have the Anself Manual Massage Ball. This massage ball comes in a very small size, allowing you to fit it in your bag so perfectly. It, therefore, means that you can enjoy stress relief on the go. The massage ball is going to relieve pain and fatigue and also eliminate the soreness and aching on your muscles. Another great benefit of these massage ball rollers is that they help in promoting blood circulation. Giving a closer look at these massage balls, you will realize that they come with a hole. It is for that reason why you will be able to add essential oil for a perfect massage experience. If you are the kind of person who works the entire day and is looking to lessen fatigue, this massage ball will be your right pick. The good thing about these balls is that they come at a very affordable price. At number 2, we have the Body Back Ball Massage Roller. For those of you looking to relieve muscle pain on themselves or their partners, this one will be a very great pick. It is going to roll out the knots on the sore and aching muscles easily. The best thing about these massage rollers is that they will be safe to use with massage oils or essential oils. After use, you will also appreciate that the task of cleaning will be relatively easy. This massager will glide very smoothly across the skin surface to bring you or your partner a very consistent relaxing experience. It is also perfectly sized to make sure that it comfortably fits in your hand without pain. If you want a massage ball that can effectively soothe tension and inflammation, this will definitely be the pick. And finally at number 1, we have the Nyoya Wellness Massage Ball Roller. The deluxe set of massage rollers will be very comfortable for anyone to use. These rollers promote stress relief and relaxation. You will also appreciate that they come in a perfect size in order to fit perfectly in the bag for portability. There is no need to worry even if you are shopping on a limited budget, since the price for these massage balls is very affordable. Whether you are looking to enjoy a deep tissue or light massage, this will be the pick since it lets you control the massage intensity. You will also like the fact that it has a sturdy construction and rolls very smoothly on skin surfaces. With this massage ball roller, you will be able to reach different parts of the body, including the shoulders, upper back, legs, and even arms. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.